the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's Deandra Renee, and today I am here to bring you guys a very special video. Now, if you guys don't know, the way I got my start on YouTube was a video called The Best Crochet Braids Ever. Today I am here to recreate that look and that video, but of course this one will be so much better. It will be so much more detailed, so I'm a little bit better at filming, so this is going to be so much better, you guys. I'm going to give you so much more information, let you guys see way more, because I just kind of threw something together and put it up and it just happened to go viral. But now I know exactly what I need to tell you guys, so I am recreating that look. Now, if you have not seen that video, make sure you check it out. I will link it down below, but today is a recreation, so you good, sis. So I just recorded a crochet video about 2 weeks ago. I recorded a video 2 weeks ago. So this braid pattern is like 2 weeks old, and it doesn't really matter, you guys, because you know people do braidless crochet, so it doesn't really matter if you use old braids, no braids. It's really up to you. You don't have to use my particular braid pattern if you don't really like my braid pattern. You can use whatever works for you. You can use no braid pattern, so that part is not really a necessity. If you want your crochets to look like mine, then you will need my technique. So just to get started, I'm going to show you guys my braiding pattern for those that are interested. I wear Y braids where I wear my parts, where I wear my crochet hair parted, and I do straight back braids everywhere else. So I have a Y braid here, a Y braid here, and a Y braid here, and then I have 3 straight back braids on each side. Now what I did do was I took this one straight back braid that's on each side, I took it and I flipped it up, and then I sewed it so that way I could have more hair coming, because me personally, I don't like to put a lot of tension on my hairline, so I just tend to do like swoops, and I leave my baby hairs out. I just slick my hair back because I don't want the tension pulling on my hair and breaking off my edges. The rest of the braids I just braided together. I swung them over like here, and then I sewed them together, and of course I'm going to show you guys. So here's my braid pattern. Okay, so that is the braiding pattern. So what you guys will need is a crochet needle. You will also need some hair. I'm using the Janet Collection Afro Twist braid hair in the color 1. So this is Kanekaline hair, and it's basically Marley hair. And here is the pack. So I have purchased 10 packs. In my first video I used 9 packs of hair. I may use that much, I may use a little less, we'll see. I don't really know. I'm gonna see how I feel. So you will need your choice of Marley hair, and you will also need some rods. I use the purple, lilac, pink rods, and make sure you guys pay attention because they do have different sizes. They have the long ones and they have the short ones. I don't know if you, yeah, you can see. Those are the types of rods that you will need. Now I will link everything in the description box. I'll try to find it online for you guys. And if you guys are interested, what I use for my edges is Gorilla Snot gel. So that's what I use, just to slick my edges down, and that's it. And I just used braiding hair to braid my braids, and that's really it. So now I'm going to start my install. So here is the hair. It's Marley hair. So it comes in these 2 little bunches, and you don't get a whole lot of hair. So when I say I use 9-10 packs, it's really not that much hair, because a lot of hair does not come in the pack. So it's not that many pieces. But I just take the first one and then I separate mine in half. Into 2 pieces. And I insert it like this. Because I want mine long. And I do a layered look. So I do them long at the bottom. And then I layer it as I go. But I'm going to crochet the back and the sides in at this length. So I just take my crochet needle, close it, pull it through, we're gonna put the hair through, twist, put the hair back through, pull, and it's in there. Now I'll show you again. I'm gonna take this piece, open it, close it, put it through, twist, put it through, pull. So I'm just going to continue, and after my first pack, I'll be back to show you. Okay, you guys, so I have finished installing my longest length of my hair, and of course it's already starting to look full, but we have so much more to go. So I did end up using about a pack and a half to fill up this look. So I have about this much hair left out of the second pack, and now I'm starting on my other layer. So all of this hair that I installed, I left at this length. What I do for my next layer of crochets, I take my hair and I cut a little bit off. So here is the crochet hair. So I'm going to cut off about that much. Y'all see that? So now I'm installing the hair like this. So it will come a little bit shorter. You guys see the difference? So this is the length, the long length. This is the shorter length. So it's going to be layered. So now I'm going to install some more hair at this length, and I'll be back to show you guys. Okay, ladies, so I have finished up to my Y braids, and this is only 4 packs of hair. It's really big, you guys. I am not leaving my hair like this, okay? So don't worry yourself. Do not worry. This is gonna turn out so cute. You are gonna want your hair this big or bigger if you want it thicker. But don't get scared, girl. It's looking scary, but it's not gonna be like this, okay? It's not gonna be like this at the end. So just bear with me, sis. We have to finish our install. We have to do the Y braids, but I do something a little different for the Y braids. So I did want to show you guys that part, but I wanted to show you what the install is looking like so far. So here is everything. Don't get scared, don't get scared, I warned you. Okay. So for the Y braids, I do what are known as invisible crochets. So if you don't know what invisible crochets are a knotless crochet braid. So your regular crochet install braids are knotted. You can see the actual knot at the roots. The ones that I do for the part are knotless, so you cannot see the knot. For the Y braids, I'm still doing the layered look, so y'all can see like it's layered. Like it is layered. Of course, I might still have to trim it up just a little bit, but it is layered. So that's why I cut the hair off as I go. But yeah, it's coming out layered. So now it's time to make it even more layered. So what I do for the Y braids, I cut the hair in half. So here's the rubber band that comes on the hair. You can cut that off and then just literally cut that right where that rubber band was. So I cut that, fold the hair, and that's what I'm installing. So yes, this is my 5th pack, you guys. I still take them, split it in half. I'm going to take my crochet needle. So I'm going to put it through. Put my hair, pull it through. So I'm going to keep these separated. So a normal crochet braid, you put both strands through. I'm only going to put one strand through, okay? One. I'm still going to twist, put the one strand back through, and pull. So the knot forms underneath, and so I'm going to pull that underneath my hair and fold it over. That's it. So let me show you guys a closer look. And I'm going to put it underneath, hook my hair, close it, pull it through. I'm going to take one strand, put it through, twist, put it through, pull, the knot forms underneath, fold it over. Okay ladies, I'm going to finish installing the rest of my hair and I will be back to show you guys. Okay you guys, so I wish I could see the facial expressions of everyone right now, because I know y'all looking at me crazy. I know you are, but sis, just hold on a little bit longer, okay? Just hold on, because it's all coming together. You got to go through the process. You got to go through the crazy looking stage to get to the end, okay? So just trust me, sis, trust me. So now it is time to curl it. I'm so excited. Whew. Y'all, it's been a long process, okay? This is what it's looking like so far. So now we have got to finish this look. This is all about the curls, you guys. The curl is what makes the style. So to curl this hair, we need to brush it out and we need to rod it. So to curl, I like to go through and kind of separate my hair. So I'm just taking the shorter hair and putting that up. I take my hair and I will separate it. So maybe about this much. So then you take a brush and brush through it starting from the bottom. I'm gonna get all the tangles and knots out. I'm going to take my perm rod and you're gonna get as close as you can to the root. Wrap around, twist. 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 I have rotted a few of them, So just to show you what I do, I take a mug with some hot water and make sure it's not that full, because you're going to put the rods in there and the water will rise, and if it's hot it will burn you. So make sure it's not too full. I like to dip mine and lean to the side just to make sure I have the whole rod in there. So I'm leaning. I have some more room so I can put another one in there. You want to make sure the whole rod is submerged. And I'll wait for about 15 seconds. Get a towel, put it right up against, let it come out. And pat the hair. So I'm going to let that cool. So you want to go ahead and dip the other ones while the water's still hot. I'll let them cool for about 4 minutes or so, and then I'll take them down. Another option, you can also boil water on the stove, but that will be extremely hot, you guys. So you can just kind of refill the cup. If you guys do that, which I'm doing right now, I'm just letting it boil for a little bit, and that way I can just refill my cup, so I won't have to put the same cup in the microwave for 2 minutes each time. So that's just an idea or an alternative way also. Okay, so to take these down, you guys, I literally like to pull the bottom off. Like that. I'll be back to show you guys.
Never had a girl quite like me, me. 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 Never had a girl quite like me, me.
Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rock.
All right, ladies, so here is my finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found this video useful and very helpful. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them down below in the comment section, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Or make sure you follow me on Instagram. You can ask me directly on there. I will respond a lot faster if you just add me on Instagram and ask me on there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys check out some of my other videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.